Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify offline. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify offline, you should just go settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to Spotify. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on your Spotify app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.